Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Motion X500 and I'm going to tell you top tricks of this device. The best top trick is that we have our LED lights over here, as you can see. For me, it's very nice. I like the LED lights. The second top trick is that we can switch between different equalizer presets using this button over here. We have dual connection mode if we hold this button, Bluetooth button over here, and if it's white, wait a moment. As you can see right now. And nextly we have that we can manage our speaker listening application. We have a lot of cool features in our application. Let's check our channel, what you can do. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!